joining me today, guys. That's the new whip, new ride. I know I've been busy, got new place, more room for make more videos and whatnot. Definitely some more content on this thing. I already got stuff, so just stay tuned. Mercedes S550. It's got the AMG Sport package on it, so yeah, I mean, real surprise, man. Clean pickup. So, it's a good one. You won't find deals like this all the time, but they'll have them, man. Just keep looking. I mean, I just continuously every day, every night, all I do is just look at cars. Someone's out there, especially during this time with this COVID. There's a lot of cars out there for sale, and a lot of people can't really fix, cars up right now. That's not their priority, right now. It's just spend money. I didn't do the plastic dip this time. I wanted to, go a little different with it. I've done vinyl before, so I just got some vinyl, played around with it. Wrapped the grill. I didn't choose to use the dip this time because it was just the little chrome strips. I wanted a little better gloss finish to it. Kind of give it a little factory kind of look, kind of subtle. I know everyone blacks out the whole grill, but then to me it kind of looks just kind of washed out with the black. Right now, with this current setup, I like it like this. Give a little chrome trim, black the grill out, make it look a little bit different from everybody's S. To kind of match with the grill, I just did the vents rather than the whole thing. Give it a little different look to it. I always change just the way I feel, however the car's set up and how it looks. But right now, just simple. I didn't do anything to it. Just been trying to fixing it, making sure it's running good, which now it is. Updates on, I know everyone's watching for the R350, so I still have it. Thinking about selling it. Trying not to get too attached to cars if I'm trying to resell them. Trying to get something else. So still running good. I just need to just put a power steering hose on it. That was the only thing that was wrong with it, but still a good pickup. Ended up with two Mercedes that were the same color, so how ironic is that? Every car I end up finding is always silver, so I hope to find something a different color. As long as for a good deal, I don't matter what color it is, as long as it's not like an orange or something like that. So this one is the S550 with the sport. This is the sport package. The wheels, cross drilled. Really good. Other than that, nothing major that could be fixed. But for the main body chassis, I inspected everything when I got it, just because how much I got it for, but the guy he's trying to get rid of it. And I came to save it. So everything's all done. All the doors, dash, which was the hardest part. That was a pain. It wasn't too bad though. Doors are easy. I mean, I pretty much just blew through the doors because it was just a small piece here. And then I left the chrome. I wanted to leave the chrome on there just to give it a little bit of texture, rather just the whole thing being carbon fiber, since I have a lot of chrome trim in this car. I didn't do this middle section yet, so this is for tomorrow. I'm done for today. So Just gotta figure out how I'm gonna do the armrest. But other than that, I'm happy with it. Came out pretty good. I'm not a expert pro at wrapping, but you know, I've done, you know, wrap vinyl before, mainly the outside, you know, but the interior, first time I did this much interior pieces, which is not even a lot of interior pieces, but I'm happy with it. I'm good. So came out pretty good.
On Christmas Day, I'll tell you the top 5 most favorite in town.
So your driving light on that side is burnt out.
It must be a parking because both my headlights work, but this thing still
No, it's a parking light. It's a corner light.
Carbon fiber. Merry Christmas. Taking a ride with brother-in-law. Motion
What's up?
sickness.
What's
Hit him on the tag. I'll put the link up.
Right. Check out the
Get on it.
my Benz. That's nice.
Got a little pickup.
Yeah.
Get them those bolsters.
Yes, sir. Got the
Yeah,
dynamic the dynamic seating is
But yeah, we did the carbon fiber wrap. First time. Not bad. Gonna take a few a few day shots for the first time with the little mods that I did.
sideways.
I'll have some more videos up of some DIY stuff with the tinted lights, carbon fiber wrap, and for all you enthusiasts out there, if anybody has some nice wheels, luxury, Euro, anything, let me know, or maybe I'll find you out there. So let's get this money, let's find these cars, and let's get these deals, and let's have fun doing it without breaking the bank. So I'll see you in the next one. Hit that like, subscribe, appreciate everything.